Beatrice? Are you here with us, Beatrice? Let's sweep in.
What?
I don't know how to do this program. And I'm not sure. Well, we'll just set it there. What's your name? Is there anyone here that would like to talk with us tonight?
The dolly in the pink crocheted dress. What is your name? Little blonde dolly in your pretty pink dress. What is your name?
You can talk to... I missed it. Did you hear what it said?
Mm-mm.
You can talk to us through this program that I have right here. We want to know if you're Beatrice and Mildred. Is this Beatrice and Mildred here with us today? Or is someone else here?
Dolly with the blonde hair and the pretty pink dress. What is your name? Dolly in the crocheted dress with the dark hair. What is your name?
We already love you, so it's okay.
Oh, we missed it again.
Did it say something again?
Yeah, I think so.
Yep. Did it say yep right then? Well, we can listen back because it's recording.
Can you tell me your names, please? I've been trying to take care of you and love on you. And little blonde dolly, I'm sorry I left you in the Deacon's bench. I didn't mean to do that to you. What are they saying? That's weird.
I don't know if they're saying anything yet. That might just be... I don't know. I don't know how this program works. This isn't like the other one that I had. I gotta try to find that other one, but...
So
And we might hear more when we listen back.
what was that?
Let me out, or... You let me out, or...
I didn't hear. Can you repeat, please? I didn't hear that.
Look at how the dog's reacting.
Mm-hmm.
That's the other doll right there.
Can you repeat? I still didn't hear you.
And there's Beatrice. Beatrice is looking towards the door when she was looking forward. And this doll over here was over here on the table. And we got up. Didn't that sound like you said that?
I think so.
Sound like you said, and we got up.
Is that what you said?
Did you get up off the table and move to the chair? Like she's got a grin on her face.
Yeah.
Doesn't it look like she had a grin on her face? Stay here.
Us or them?
I don't know. Were you saying you're staying here? Sure, her face isn't as smashed as it was.
Yeah, I swear it isn't. It's like it's filling out.
I didn't understand that one.
I didn't understand. Can you repeat?
Can one of you move for us, please? The girls aren't here. It's only us. Are you our aunt? Are you our Aunt Mildred and our Aunt Beatrice?
What?
Did it say yes?
I don't know. I didn't understand. Man, we're really good at listening. We keep saying what? Sorry, guys. We're trying.
Maybe I should try another program, or is this program working for you? You'll see.
Huh?
They said you'll see.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Will
What do you mean
are
by
you,
you'll see?
you're gonna move for us, or we'll see when we listen back and hear what you're saying? Please tell us your name. Who's here with us? I didn't understand anything on that. Beatrice, will you please talk to us? Is your name Beatrice? Different? Did it say different?
I didn't understand. Is your name Beatrice? I've been calling her Beatrice for years.
I mean, that head isn't easy to turn. Is it okay that I moved you?
Try and move the other one over.
Yeah, over here too, so she don't feel left out. I was just thinking that when you said that.
Come here, sweetie. Your face is looking better. I'm so sorry about what I did.
She said no.
No, you want to go back in the rocking chair?
I don't know if it was no about her face or...
I don't know.
Well, we'll go ahead and put her down next to Beatrice.
You want to go back in the rocking chair, or do you want me to set you down next to the dark-haired dolly, who I think's Beatrice?
I think she said, it said stay. Like stay, go ahead and put her down.
You want me to put you down? Okay, I need
Might have
you.
to lean her on Beatrice. Maybe you set her on Beatrice's dress and lean her on her. Maybe. I need a pillow, huh?
Yeah. I think I'm going to do them this way so they can face each other.
Okay. We really would like you guys to please speak with us. We love and respect you. We're not here to cause you any harm or to bother you in any way. What we're trying to do is find out who you are, why you're here. Do you need help? Are you our family? Are you related to us? I think yes. Is that what it said?
I think I heard, but I didn't hear the last bit. It's weird how music comes through sometimes.
Well, that's what it is. They're picking up radio waves,
Oh.
and that's how they're able to speak. And I like what this one is because it's not that noise all the time like some of them are, which I'm liking. I'm not sure how that's working. Becky, it just said Becky.
Okay. Hi.
Didn't it sound like Becky?
Hi, I'm here. Do you want to say something to me?
I can take this and slow down the scan rate a little bit. Maybe it'll speak slower. Does that make it easier to speak? With the scan rate slower? Something about grandma?
I did not hear that one at all. Here, I'll come closer to you guys.
We'd really like to speak with you, please.
Here, let me fix you so that you're prettier for your debut.
Will do. That will do. It sounded like she said.
Okay. Is that better the way I fixed your skirt? Because I know you like it nice and neat. Here, let me fix the back a little bit for you. Is that better?
I didn't understand that one.
I didn't understand. Can you repeat?
Are you happy here with Becky?
I'll be sad if they're not.
Well, you know they are.
I didn't understand.
I don't think they said anything. Can you tell us who you are? What's your name? That wasn't Mildred, was it?
I didn't understand. Can you say again?
What is your name? Please. That sounded like Beatrice there.
Yeah. So you are Beatrice in the crocheted dress?
Can you tell her? Can you tell us yes or no? Is your name Beatrice?
In the crochet dress.
I couldn't understand that.
Little blonde one, my little blonde dolly that I've had for so long. Are you Mildred?
Yes.
Hi Mildred, Aunt Mildred. It's nice to finally be able to talk to you. And is Beatrice the dolly sitting next to you? Because I'm having a hard time understanding her. Is that a yes?
Sound like a yes in there.
Well, hi, Aunt Beatrice. Now I know why I've been so loving towards you two. Mildred, I'm sorry I left you in there. I was just waiting to figure out where to set you again.
I don't want to say what that sounded like.
What did that sound like?
I don't think that's what it was.
Are you okay, Mildred? Is that a yes?
I don't know. So you guys were moving around today.
What on earth was that?
I don't know. Do you like to move around in the room? We're not here to cause you any harm or discomfort. We would just like to know more about you and who you are, and if you are our aunts. Do you know that you're dead? Dead what? Isn't that what it said?
Your mom was our grandma.
And our moms are your sisters.